welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday. It's TGIF Friday, or also Fantastic Friday. Oh, yes, and the rain is coming back after several days of warmish, not really warm, but mostly sunny days. We've got the rain coming back here in Southern County, California. Yeah. Last night, broke in the new wok. I think the name is going to be Champion. Yeah. I prepared spicy pork noodles. Very good. Very, very, very good. Super simple for stir frying. The sauce is very, very yummy. I added a little bit of shirataki just to give it a little extra kick. I like spice. I can't help it. I'll get that posted up this morning. Do you like the new way I'm... coffee. I need coffee. I'm sharing recipes using Recipe Keeper. I hope so. And tonight, I'm preparing... This is kind of an old standby, something I like to throw together. Plus, I had some leftover Andouille sausage. It's Andouille sausage and cabbage. Yeah, there's all kinds of variations for this. Matter of fact, just in the last few days, I shared a bacon and cabbage little stir fry thing from another group. So yeah, you can always do something fun with this. So let's get to it. It's another wok day. Got the wok. I'm going to be serving this over long grain white rice. So there's the crockery for that. This is the andouille sausage. This is half of a normal. This is about 7 ounces, 6 ounces. Green cabbage this time. Obviously, I'm not using this whole cabbage. It's just me. I'm going to use some of the leftover cabbage for another dish for next week. Garlic, gotta have garlic. Kosher salt, black pepper, some olive oil for the wok. I'm doing peppers, jalapenos, tareños. It's another little twist. Probably some basil and oregano. Onion, gotta have onion, and the long grain white rice. So here's all the goodies for tonight's meal. Super simple, but very yummy. I've prepared this for other people, not with the andouille, but yeah. So yeah, on this Friday, this fantastic Friday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.